A creditor account is prepared to find out the credit purchase or closing creditor. To BR, dishonored is 10,000. To creditor, BR endorsed to creditor, dishonored is 5,000. BP issued during BR, your creditor account will be reduced. Cash received from the debtor, your debtor account will be reduced. Due balance brought down 1,50,000. BR received during the year is 10,000. To creditor, BR endorsed to creditor, dishonor 5,000. Cash paid to debtor is 5,000. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a temple of excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Accounting 1, first semester BCom, session 2, which goes in favor of accounts from incomplete record. In the last session, I discussed how to prepare the debtor account, creditor account, BR account, and BP account. So, debtor account is prepared to find out the credit sale or closing debtor. A BR account is prepared to closing the closing BR. A creditor account is prepared to find out the credit purchase or closing creditor. A BP account is find out to closing BP is concerned. Today, we are going to solve the problem according to that only. We will go slowly. From the following, prepare total debtor account and total creditor account. So before that, no, it's an incomplete record here. Transactions are incompleted here, no. Here the money transaction is one-sided here, no. Last time we already told here. This is the problem. From the following, prepare total debtors and creditor account. So debtor on 1/4/2000, beginning of the year 1,50,000, on 30th 3/2018, one opening debtor and one is closing debtor. Creditor, one opening creditor and closing creditor. Then bad debts written now. Bad debt, any bad debt written off, where it will come under debtor account. Bad debt written off is nothing but bad debt that will come in the trading act, what's called debtor account. Provision for bad debt won't come. BR received during the year. When the BR comes, what will happen? Your debtor account will be reduced. BP issued during the year, your creditor account will be reduced. Cash received from the debtor, your debtor account will be reduced. Cash returned to customers, no, that will be your debtor account will be in debit entry. Then cash paid to supplier, then it is cash paid to supplier, that will come in the creditor account. Discount allowed under debtor account. BP endorsed to creditor account at a BP. I will explain this. Then BR dishonored. BR dishonored will come here, no? In the debtor account debit entry, BR dishonored. BR dishonored is there, no? BR dishonor endorsed. Then BR dishonor, return inward means sales return. Return outward means purchases return. So this is BR dishonor endorsed to creditor. BR dishonor, BR endorsed to creditor. Here BR dishonor only here in the upper, no. BR received here. The items are there, no. You must be once again very careful. We'll go one by one. Opening debtor 1,50,000, closing creditor is there. Last one, BR dishonored is there. If you have got a BR dishonored is there, no. BR endorsed dishonored. Endorsed dishonored, how much is there? 5,000 is there, no. Then BR endorsed dishonored 5,000. BR dishonored. BR dishonored, it is 10,000. This is dishonored. You must be careful. BR dishonored 10,000. Return inward. Here BR dishonored, which have been endorsed to dishonored 5,000. BR endorsed to creditor dishonored. Then what's next? 5,000 is there, no? BR endorsed. BR endorsed, dishonored. BR endorsed, dishonored this. Here, BR dishonor, written inward and written out. Here, written inward means sales written. Don't confuse here. BR dishonored. Here, no. BR dishonored. Here, endorsed, dishonored. It's only BR dishonored. 10,000 is only BR dishonored. Here, BR dishonored. So, endorsed dishonor. This is endorsed dishonor. Another BR dishonored. So, he has to prepare debtor account and creditor account, he says. We will go with the slowly. Preparation of total debtors account and total creditor account. Now, total debtors account. We'll fill the form. We start with no to balance brought down. What's your opening debtor? See that. Your opening debtor is how much? 1,50,000. Here, right? 1,50,000. We start with opening debtor. 1,50,000. Then credit sales is there. See that. There is no credit sales at all. That you have to calculate. Here now. Opening debtor. There is no credit sale. That you have to go into calculate. Okay. Then to BR account. Dishonored is there now. BR dishonored is there. See that. BR endorsed to creditor is there. BR dishonored. How much is there? 5,000 is there now. BR dishonored. How much is there? 10,000 is there. You have to write. I will explain. Here, BR dishonored. BR dishonored 10,000. BR dishonored 10,000. Then, to creditor, BR endorsed dishonor is there. No, see that. To creditor, BR endorsed to creditor, dishonored is there. No, yes. Here, no. This is BR dishonor endorsed. So, how to write? To creditor, BR endorsed to creditor, dishonored 5,000. So, to balance brought down, opening debtor, to credit sale, which you are going to calculate, to creditor, to BR, dishonored is 10,000, to creditor, BR endorsed to creditor, dishonored is 5,000, pay to credit debtor, how much is there? 5,000. This is nothing but cash returned. So, at the beginning of the year, you have to receive how much? 1,50,000. Then, if the BR dishonored, what will happen? Your debtor account will be raised. Then, BR endorsed to creditor dishonor is 5,000. Once again, you paid to the customer about rupees 5,000. Naturally, your debtor account will be raised. Come back here. By cash received from debtor is there. See that. By cash account. Receipt from debtor is there now. About the 9 lakh is there now. You have to see that about the 9 lakh is there. It is 9 lakh. Then by BR account, receipt from debtor. Have you got such word? See that. By BR, received during the year. So first word is the debtor. Second word is the debtor, creditor. Then bad date recover, provision bad BR received during the year. How much is there? It is the 10,000. BR received during the year is 10,000 is there. BR received from debtor during the year. BR received during the year 80,000. By BR received from debtor 80,000. Then sales return is there. See that. Here, return inward means sales return. What's your sales return? 18,000. 18,000. Creditor dishonor will come. Then return outward won't come. Then purchase return is there, it won't come. By bad dates return up, by bad date your return provision won't come, BR received will come, cash return by cash paid. Discount allowed to customer 3,000. By discount allowed to customer 3,000 is there now. By discount allowed to customer about 3,000. Any allowances? Any allowances is there? There is no allowances are there. What's your closing debtor? 1,20,000. Balance carried down. Closing debtor 1,20,000. Okay. You have taken this figure. Bad debt is taken out. Provision won't come. BR received during the year is over. Cash received from debtor is over. Cash returned to customers are over. Discount allowed to customers are over. Then you have got endorsement is there now. Any endorsement? Discount received nothing but that's all though. Add the figure. It is 1,20,000, 9,00,000, 10,20,000. Your bad debt is 36,000. Your bad debt is, see that, your bad debt is about 36,000. Your bad debt is 36,000 is there that you have taken. By discount allowed to customer 3,000 is there. By discount allowed 3,000. Totally 1,20,000. So 57,000. 11,57,000. So difference is 9,87,000. This is nothing but credit sales. You must be careful. To balance brought down 1,50,000. BR received during the year is 10,000. To creditor, BR endorsed to creditor dishonor 5,000. Cash paid to debtor is 5,000. By cash received 9 lakh. By BR received 80,000. Sales return 18,000. Bad debt 36,000. Discount allowed 3,000. Balance carried down 1,20,000. So whatever the difference comes, that goes to credit sale. Now, so this goes in favor of debtor account. Then we'll prepare the creditor account. Slowly. First, by balance brought down. See the question. What's your opening creditor? 1,20,000. This is your opening creditor by well. Then by debtor, BR endorsed to creditor, dishonor is there. See that in the problem. BR endorsed to debtor. How much is there? That is 5,000 is there now. By debtor here now. By BR endorsed. It is 5,000. Any BP dishonor is there? See that. Any BP dishonored. BR endorsed. BP issued. There is no BR dishonored is there no. Nothing is there. Come back here. Debit entry. To cash paid to creditor. To cash paid to creditor. To cash paid to supplier is there no. To back paid to supplier is 5,10,000. $5,10,000. BP account issued to creditor. BP received. BP issued during the year is there no. BP issued during the year 60,000. Right, say to BR second. To BP issued during the year 60,000. Then BR endorsed to creditor is there. 1 lakh is there now. To BR endorsed to creditor 1 lakh. This over. 2 purchases written here. Discount allowed. Discount allowed by supplier is 3,000 is there, no? You got 3,000, no? Discount received is discount allowed by supplier is 8,000 by BR endorsed by discount received 8,000. Then 2 purchases written. So written outward 6,000. It is outward 6,000 is there. Then here you come back 5 lakh 10,000, 60,000, 1 lakh, 6,000, 8,000. Closing balance carried down. What's your closing creditor? 1 lakh 80,000. 1 lakh. Add the figure. 8 lakh 64,000. 8 lakh 64,000. 8 lakh 64,000. Whatever the difference comes, that is the credit purchases you got. 300. 7 lakh 39,000 is your credit purchases. 7 lakh 39,000 is the credit purchases. You must be very careful about this. Here, no, you are prepared debtor account, we are prepared creditor account. You must be very careful whether it is there or not. You have to find out. I will explain. Debtor, your opening debtor is 1,50,000, closing debtor is 1,20,000. Then have you taken bad debts recovered won't come, bad debt will come, provision won't come. BR received during the year is there, BP issued during the year is there. Then cash received from debtor, cash paid to supplier, everything endorsed, everything is taken. Then BR endorsed dishonored 5,000. Then BR dishonor, written inward is sales return, written outward is purchase return. Every item is you have taken. You must be very careful about this. No, when you go with the item, no, you must be very careful about this. Here, slowly we can go this. From the following, prepare the total. From the following, prepare the total. BR account and BP account. So here, 8 lakh 73 dash like first you have to prepare the BR account and BP account. What they ask? No, they want to prepare the BR account and the BP account is considered. We'll go with one. Payment of BR. Here, true balance brought down. BR received, BP received during the year. Then BR bills receivable during the year 8 lakh. Then if you see that from the balance on 1 year, you have got 4 lakh 10,000 is there, no? True balance brought down 4 lakh 10,000. Here, see that this is your question. Opening balance of BR and BP account you have to pay. 1st January, BR is how much? 4 lakh. BP is 1 lakh. BR received during the year. BP issued during the year. BR received discounted with the banker 60%. BR is honored during the year. Then BR endorsed during the year. BR in the hands of dishonor during the year. Endorsed BP further during the year. BP paid during the year. BP payable dishonored. Okay, first one, two sundry debtor. BR received from the debtor during the period. How much BR received during the period here now? So, true balance brought down, opening BR. Then, two sundry debtor. BR received during the year. BR received during the year. It is 8 lakh is there. To sundry debtor, BR receiving, it is 8 lakh. Come back here. By bank, BR dishonor and discount. See that? It is 6%, 73 days. Discounted is there now. with this work. How much is there? 2,50,000. This is 2,50,000. Then by cash, BR, then BR honored, BR discounted. This is over. Then 2 lakh here now. BR honored during the year 2,40,000. By cash, BR honored 2,40,000. Then here by discount, balance BR, endorsed BR dishonor. Any discount is there now? Discount. So 73 days, 2,50,000, 6%, 2,50,000 into 6 by 100 into 73 divided by 365. How much will come? 2,50,000. 2,50,000 into 6 divided by 100 into 73 divided by 365. So it will come about 3,000 will come here now. Here by discount, by BR received here, by BR in hand, by BP, by discount here now. Here 2,50,000, 6%, 73 days. It's only 73 days. So by discount it will come 15,000. By discount will come 15,000. Then by sundry debtor, BR dishonored, BR endorsed bill. Dishonored is there, no? BR endorsed. How much is there? 80,000. By here, no? By sundry debtor, BR dishonored, 80,000 is there. Then by sundry creditor, BR endorsed to creditor during the BR endorsed to creditor is there, no? BR endorsed during the year. BR endorsed to creditor during the by creditors. By creditors, BR endorsed to creditor. How much is there? BR endorsed during the year 1,60,000. By it is 1,60,000. Then by balance carried down, closing BR. Here closing BR. Balance on here. So 12,10,000. 12,10,000. 12,10,000. Bring out the difference. Whatever the difference comes. So it will come by balance carried down. BR no. Here no. By balance carried down 12,10,000, 2,50,000 by bank. BR dishonor 2 lakh. If 15,000 gone, it will 2,35,000 because 15,000 has been discounted here. Then by cash 2,40,000, 15,000, 80,000, 1,60,000. Difference is 4 lakh. By balance carried down 4,80,000. This is correct. 4,80,000. Here actually 2,50,000. 15,000 discount has gone. The balance is 2,35,000. So this is, we have calculated on the calculator. Here no 6%. Here BR discounted with a bank of rupees 2,50,000. For how many days you are going to calculate? 73 days. No, 6%. 73 divided by 365. And how many months you got? Here no. You are going to calculate like this. 2,50,000. Here is 25 followed by 40 into 6 divided by 100. 15,000 is there. For 73 days, 15,000 is there. You can calculate like this: 2,50,000 into 6%. 6% is 15,000. So 15,000 gone means 2,35,000. You have to work out 2,50,000. 73 days divided by 365 means 1 year. So 6% for 1 year. It will come 15,000 out of 2,15,000 gone. The balance is 2,35,000. Now, bills payable account. Here, come back. By balance brought down. What's your opening BP? From the following year, your BP account on 1st January, BP account is 1,04,000 is there. By BP account, 1,04,000. Then, by sundry creditor, BP issued during the year. By sundry creditor, BP issued during the year. By sundry creditor, BP issued during the year, 3,40,000. Come back here. To cash account, BP honored, BP payable during the year. Here endorsed, dishonored is there. Then BP honored is there. See the word. To sundry credit, to cash, BP honored. Here B endorsed, BP payable during the year. Here BP payable. BR received, BP payable, dishonored during the year. So to bank account, BP honored 90,000. 90,000. To sundry creditor, BP dishonored. To sundry creditor, BP. To sundry creditor, BP dishonored. Here, BP dishonored, 40,000 is there. BP dishonored, 40,000 is there. To buy balance brought down, 1,04,000. By sundry creditor, BP issued to creditor during the year, 3,40,000. Then, by BP received from creditor, 3,70,000. Sundry creditor. Further, 30,000. So 1,04,000, 3,40,000. That becomes 4,74,000. 4,74,000. 0, 0, 0. This is 4. 3,44,000. This is the balance carried down. Closing BP. But you must apply the formula very carefully. Very carefully you have to apply, then only you can find out. So we calculated the BR, you calculated the BP also. So here we did the debtor account, we did the creditor account, we did the BR account, we did the BP account. In the next session, we'll go with the 15 marks calculation of BR, BP and closing. So we'll go to the 15 marks. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.